Today we will learn about successive drawing of a flying bird. Make a small circle, put a dot inside it, and put a dash here. Then again make the same thing and put an additional vertical line. Again the same thing, additional vertical line. Now put 3 divergent dashes. Repeat it like this. Now add the wings using pointed lines and complete the previous version. And add feathers by 3 vertical dashes. And this is the visual symbol vocabulary of flying bird. Along with teaching the sound symbols, it is always appropriate to use the visual symbol vocabulary too. And this will help children to form mental images.